although the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra won't be unveiled until early next year. As we get progressively closer to that, we are beginning to see leaked photographs of the next Samsung flagship smartphone, which might become among the greatest phones. The most recent comes from consistent Samsung leaker Ice Universe, who posts fresh Galaxy S25 Ultra renders on the Chinese social media platform Weibo, as seen by 9to5. A few weeks ago, Google unveiled its first renders from Ice Universe showcasing the revamped phone along with the S Pen. Launched in January of this year, the Galaxy S24 Ultra arrived somewhat earlier than regular Samsung release month. Should Samsung follow January, the S25 range will be shown. Should not, perhaps the company will revert to the regular February launch timetable. Reliable tipster Ice Universe reports that although Samsung is likely to reveal the Galaxy S25 Ultra following 4 months, some of its features have reportedly leaked already. Dimensions of the Galaxy S25 Ultra are 162.8 by 77.6 by 8.2 mm. If this is accurate, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be among the smallest premium smartphones introduced in 2025. The smartphone should have titanium side rails and some sort of Gorilla Glass on the front and rear. It will probably have an in-display fingerprint scanner and dust and water resistance. According to the tipster, Samsung will keep using 45W fast charging on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, same as the Galaxy S20 Ultra, which debuted in 2020. With the volume and power buttons on the right side of the phone, the fresh photos from Ice Universe help us to somewhat imagine what the side could look like. Although the side looks flatter than what the S24 Ultra features, one might argue that this is not a design choice, but rather a result of the rendering program itself. The most noticeable alteration seems to be a rounding of the corners, which contrasts greatly from the squared-off corners the Ultra line has shown since the Galaxy S22 Ultra, evocative of the abandoned Note series. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.